Cardinal Gates, safety products for children, pets, and homes. Cardinal Gates Guide to Selecting Clamps. To ensure proper mounting of our gates without the need to drill holes on your woodwork, we have designed the following wood clamps. The round clamp, model RC. The spindle clamp, model SPC. The large square clamp, model SCL. The medium square clamp, model SC. The small square clamp, model SCS. And finally, the wrought iron clamps, model WIK and model WIKL. Our wood clamps are made for interior use only. Our clamps are specifically designed to be used with any of our Cardinal Gates hardware-mounted gates. Our clamps should be compatible with most hardware-mounted gates available in the market, but they are not guaranteed to work with non-Cardinal Gates products. There are 4 installation points on our Cardinal Gates. These are the attachment points for your clamps. The upper attachment point on the hinge side of the gate is about 28.5 inches from the floor, and the bottom attachment point on the hinge side is about 6.5 inches above the surface of the floor. On the latch side of the gate, the upper attachment point is about 28.5 inches from the floor, while the lower attachment point is about 17.5 inches from the floor. Next, choosing the number of clamps is easy. There are 3 ways to install our Cardinal Gates: wall-to-wall, wall-to-post, and post-to-post. If you are installing your gate wall-to-wall, you will not require any clamps. If you are installing your gate between a wall and 1 post, you will need to order a total of 2 clamps, 1 for each mounting point on the post. And if you are installing your gate between 2 posts, you will need to order a total of 4 clamps, 1 for each mounting point on the posts. After choosing the number of clamps you will require, you are now ready to select your clamp type. If your stairway is made from spindles, then you will be installing the spindle clamp model SPC. The spindle clamp model SPC will work for spindles that have a maximum thickness of 1.5 inches thick and no longer than 6 3/8 inch wide from end to end. Next, if your stairway is made from wrought iron, depending on the size of your stairway rails, you will have to choose between the wrought iron kit model WIK and the large wrought iron kit model WIKL. If the width of your railing is round and 3/4 inch or less, then you will require the wrought iron kit model WIK. If the width of your railing is round or square and between 3/4 inch and 1.5 inches, then you will require the large wrought iron kit model WIKL. There are 2 options for traditional stairway posts. First, if your post is round and has a minimum diameter of 1.5 inches and a maximum diameter of 3 3/4 inches, then you will require our round clamp model RC. Finally, if you have square posts, depending on the size of your post, you will have to choose between the large square clamp model SCL, the medium square clamp model SC, and the small square clamp model SCS. For square posts that have a width between 1.5 inches and 3 3/4 inches, you will require the small square clamp model SCS. For square posts that have a width between 2.5 inches and 3 3/4 inches, you will require the medium square clamp model SC. For square posts that have a width between 4 and 5 inches, you will require our large square clamp model SCL. This completes our guide to selecting your clamps. Note that in rare circumstances, longer bolts may be needed. Our 1/4 by 20 hex head bolts can be purchased at any hardware store if you require longer bolts. For any questions, please call our toll-free number at 1-800-318-3380. After choosing the correct clamp for your project, please proceed to the correct installation video for your clamp. Brought to you by Cardinal Gates. If it's a cardinal, it's the best.